In today's Evador Maths class, we are going to be looking at 2002 objective question. Now let's start going. Let's get going rather. So the first question there is simplify this particular expression, and these are options. So when you are given these questions, there are two ways by which you can solve this. I'm going to be using two methods to solve this. The normal method, which will be expand, change to improper fraction, and then we expand before we look for LCM and the other ones. And the second method of solving, by which we are going to use to solve this question, we will use difference of two squares. So let's get going. So without wasting much time, we have change to improper fraction. So we have change to improper fraction. So 3 times 1 plus 2, 5 over 3 squared minus 2 over 3 squared. That will not give us, when you go, this square is affecting, this raised to the power of 2 is affecting both the numerator and the denominator. So we have 5 squared over 3 squared, as well as 2 squared over 3 squared. So we have what, 5 times 5 over what, 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2 over what, 3 times 3. That will now give me 25 over 9 minus 4 over 9. And that takes us to a like fraction. These are like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. And when you are given the question on like fraction, you pick one of the denominator and do what the sign asks us to do, meaning subtract. 25 minus 4. That will give me what? 25 minus 4 is what? 21 over what? 9. How many 9s can we see in 21? We have 2 9s, remainder 3 over what? 9. So that will now give me what? 2 whole number, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So 1 over 3, which is what? Option A. Now, alternatively, that is, we want to use the second method using the method of difference of what? 2 squares. We have discussed something about this difference of 2 squares before now. The difference of 2 squares is when 2 squares subtract each other, meaning when 2 perfect squares subtract each other, because this is a perfect square. Now when we change the improper fraction, when we change the improper fraction, it becomes what? 5 over 3 all squared minus 2, this is already a proper fraction, is a proper fraction, sorry, 2 over what? 3 squared. So this is different of 2 squares, meaning when 2 perfect squares subtract each other, and the result is the product of their sum and their difference, or the product of their difference and their sum. But what matters is you have 5 over 3, 2 over 3, the other one 5 over 3, 2 over 3. So the only difference there is the what? Sign, but they are multiplying what? Each other. So I repeat, what is difference of 2 squares? Difference of 2 squares, this is when 2 perfect squares subtract each other, and the result is the product of their sum and their difference, or the product of their difference. You can put this first, and their sum. So let's go. That give me what? Because these are like fractions, you pick one of the denominator and you say what? 5 plus 2. Then you do the same here. You pick one of the denominator and you say what? 5 minus 2. So that will not give me, what is 5 plus 2? 7 over what? 3 multiplied by what? 5 minus 2 is what? 3 over what? What? 3. So we are now having what? Equal to 7 over 3 times 3 divided by 3, which is 1, which will give me what? 7 over what? 3. So you now ask yourself, how many 3's can we see in 7? We have 2 3 in 7, remainder 1 over what? 3. Still on the same 2 whole number, 1 over 3, which is option what? A. So for more contents like this, you have to follow